I just picked up this pressure washer, took it out of the box and assembled it. Super quick and easy to assemble. One of the easier pressure washers that I've done. I put a lot of these together. Pretty standard nozzles, different strengths. Super easy to quick attach. I am going to test it out on my porch that hasn't been touched in at least 8 years. So it's catching some water. So we got a little bit of yuckiness there. And we're just going to go down the line and we'll give you a nice before and then we'll give you a nice after. All right, so first impressions are great. I'll show you it in action. I did a couple of test swipes here, but I'm very pleased. All right, I don't know about you, but there's not too much more satisfying than that. First impressions are this thing is working super great. It's super, super quiet in action. So I'm gonna keep on going and give you some updates. That is incredibly satisfying, peeling away years and years of gunk. So happy with this. I am incredibly pleased with this. So if I were to suggest or recommend, I would say this is a good buy. The price point is awesome. If you're looking for something that's simple and really, really easy to operate, maybe a first pressure washer, or just something that you don't want to sink a lot of money into, this would totally, totally do the trick. And here is the after. The porch all put back together. I think that it looks awesome.